What's happening, everybody? We've got another reset for you. Today we're doing the Infinix Note 10, also known as the Infinix X693. Pretty cool phone. If you have one of these that has a pattern lock or a screen lock, I'm going to show you how to do that. And if you find this helpful, if you could like, subscribe, share, anything, we'd appreciate it. Let's get right into it. So first we have to turn off the phone. You have the, you can see we got a lock on this phone. Power button right over here, volume up and down right over here as well. So we want to turn the phone off. Oops, we'll have to hold volume or just power button. There we go. And then hold that. Turn the phone off. Once the phone is off, you're gonna hold volume up and power button at the same time. All these Infinixes are a little bit different on how to do a reset on them, and they're a little bit odd. So what you want to do is hold volume up and power. As soon as the phone turns on, let go of power, but keep holding volume up. And it just did that quick flash. Just keep holding volume up. The Infinix logo will come up, and it should then take you to the reset after that. So it gets you into their OS BIOS to try to do the reset. So to get out of this, what you want to do is hit the power button and the volume up button at the same time. I usually just hold power and then tap volume up, and it brings you to the reset menu. Then you want to scroll down to wipe data, factory reset. Your volume buttons will navigate and the power button is enter. So then you just hit enter, confirm again and hit enter. And now the phone will wipe. It's wiped. And then you can either reboot or power off, and I'll just reboot the phone. But that's how you do a hard reset on an Infinix Note 10. Like I said, they're all a little bit different depending on the model. There's some that are pretty easy and some are just a little bit odd on when they get into it. But if you guys have any questions or have another device that you're having trouble with, just drop a comment and I'll try to get that up for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and until next time.